Hey guys, it's Ryan here, and it's Ryan Andrew Vlogs here, and I'm going to be doing a fidget spinner review, how much I have, and stuff like that. So if you're new to my channel here, please subscribe. Yeah, I'll show you them. Let's get into it. So here is my flipping tub. I have a tub full of fidget spinners, literally. Here's my tub full of fidgets. I'm going to be showing you every single one of my fidget spinners. These are not all of them. I'm missing some of them. So one of them I lost. The heck is that in the background? I see something on my camera. I don't know what it is, but anyway. So let's get into it. My first fidget is this Batman fidget spinner. Pretty sick. And then we got that one. This one that has no finger pads. I'm gonna pop out that bearing. We have this green one, pretty sick. Got this. Most of these I got from like either the dollar store. Yeah, like the dollar store has them. At the dollar store or the craft warehouse here in Oregon. So we got this sick green one. The dollar store one, glow in the dark. Pretty sick. Got this one. This one's like one of my favorites. This one's super cool. Real slick. Light. Good to carry around. We got this glow in the dark one, blue. Got this glow in the dark one, this kind of color. Well, like white color. This yellow one. This one is like super sick. Like, I love these kind of colors. These kind of like yellows and greens. And then we have this pink one. I love this color of pink. I'm like obsessed with this color right now. Like, I know pink is a girl color, but I'm obsessed with that color. Got this oil slick two-sided fidget. Kind of noisy, but blue one, pretty sick. This ninja star kind of looking one. This one, by the way, spins forever. But you might not find this exact one because my mom and dad got me this in Washington, D.C. So, yeah, you're not going to find that. So that one's pretty sweet. Then that one's lame. This one with no finger pads. These ones are 7-Eleven ones, which aren't really good. Got this like light up one. This one is my favorite. This one's like super cool. And some of these are my brother's. This one, yeah, probably some of you guys, a lot of you guys that like this. Probably a lot of you guys are gonna ask, what the heck is this? It's homemade. So there you go. Zip ties, bearings, we good. It spins. It's a fidget spinner. We got this wood bamboo color one. Got this mini one. Like I said, some of these are my brother's. Like this one is my brother's. Oh, that one's sweet. I got this one emoji. It's black, red. These ones are mini too. These ones are really loud. I didn't know they got this loud. And then this gold color one. And then another yellow one. This one's my brother's, and that one's mine. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.